I'm obsessed with this bag. I'm gonna wear it to death. Okay, be prepared to be sick of me. Okay, every outfit, she's gonna be making an appearance. Y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you are new. Hey girl, hey, I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today, y'all, I am really excited. I know I always say I'm really excited, but like, no, for real, I'm really excited today because I'm gonna be showing you my Coach Quilted Tabby bag and talking about it. I'm obsessed with this bag. Let's just get into it. So I'll put like an overlay right here so you can see like when I initially got the bag, the unboxing and everything. This was kind of like an impulse buy because I saw this bag in black with the gold hardware or brass hardware like months ago, and I was just like, I'm sorry, wait a minute, what? Like, I need this bag. Where is it at? Where can I get it? Like, I was searching high and low and I cannot find the bag, and that's because it hadn't been released yet. So once it was released, I was like, oh please, let me go over there right now. And once I was there, I was like, I saw that they had this kind of like chalk white color. I think that's what they calling it, chalk white. I can't remember, but I was like, oh wait, because I already have a black bag that is kind of like classic in my opinion, and I feel like they would kind of like occupy the same space and kind of be worn with the same type of outfits. So I was just kind of like, I'm trying to build my bag collection. It doesn't really make sense to get another black bag. So I was like, let me just get this color because I do not have any bag in this color and it is just very necessary. So I literally put it in my cart and bought it. And now normally, I've said this many times before, I'm kind of cheap. So I kind of wait for an occasion to treat myself to something that is a little bit more expensive. So like for a birthday or Valentine's Day, I'll say, you know, hint at my husband like, oh, I want this. This is so cute. Or like Christmas or something like that. But I just was, something came over me and I was like, I have to have it. I have to have it. And can I tell you, I also got a 10% discount. So it ended up being $325 or something like that. Either $325 or $340, something like that. I think it might have been $340 once the taxes and everything. I can't remember, but I know I got a discount. Can I just tell you that this bag is my most favorite bag? I love this bag. It just looks so classic and luxe and rich and beautiful, and it just could go with everything. I love this detail of the strap with the like leather intertwined. I love that. It's the perfect size for me because, you know, I'm a mini bag kind of a girl, and this is like a little bit, it gives you a little bit of extra room aside from like the fact that it has like extra compartments like this back pocket, and then on the inside it has like this like flap in the front, well, pocket, I don't necessarily call it, I don't know if it's a flap, but this pocket in the front. Love that. And then it has like two sides. I'm obsessed with this bag. I love the closure, like how it closes. Very, very smooth. And then the bottom is like flat and hard, so you could kind of, it'll sit on its own, like, you know, like this. Like, I love that. I do wish that they would have made the tag like the same type of tag that's on the pillow tabbies, with kind of like the more plush pillowy tag. I think that just would have made it even better. That's really like my only complaint, if you will. It's not even really a complaint, but that's really like my only thing. I just wish they would have made it like the same tag that's on the pillow tabbies. This is what the straps look like when you kind of like double them. That's how it fits like when you have the straps kind of like doubled like this. And then when you just have the single strap, it is pretty long. So this is where it sits when you wear it like crossbody. On me, I am a good 5'3". I'm actually standing on my tippy toes right now, but I am 5'3" on most days. And then I discovered you could kind of make it a little bit shorter if you go inside and then kind of like intertwine the, what's the names, like this. Intertwine them like so. pop it back in, and then you could kind of get it to be a little bit shorter like this if you want to just kind of hold it like this. But yes, and it stays. Like obviously when you go in your bag, you got to make sure that you don't like undo it, but for the most part it'll stay like that, and it does not take up space, and you really can't even tell. Here is the dog tag that I was speaking of. Like as you see, this is kind of like nice and pillowy, and I just love this. It's so cute, opposed to this one that is like pretty flat and just really like next to nothing. This is the 18, the Pillow Tabby 18, and this is the Quilted Tabby 20. So this one is 18 inches, this one is 20 inches, and if you see, like this looks low-key like a lot bigger than this bag, even though it's only 2 inches, and a phone cannot fit in this bag, at least I don't think. So let's just get into what fits inside this one. Okay, so I have my little like catch-all thing that I usually have in any bag that is like big enough to fit it, especially my work bag. So I'm gonna take out of here my card holder, which I really need to get like a slimmer card holder because this one is pretty bulky. This has literally everything in it. I have everything in this card holder. I did see a Coach card holder that I want to get. It is the Quilted card holder that's kind of like basically the same pattern and color as this, and that will be kind of like a card holder for me to use for like slimmer, smaller bags, because this does take up quite a bit of space in my like kind of like mini bags. I usually have like a Blistex, a lip gloss, but we'll do a Blistex for now, a hand sanitizer, which I'm about to be out of this one. I really like this smell. I have this as a backup. A mini fragrance. This is the Valentino Donna Born Aroma. Just for fun, I'm gonna put my earbuds. This hand cream. So everything I just said is what is in the bag, and she will close just fine. Oh, I will also have like a makeup brush to kind of just like blot, blot, blot. Okay, so I have the powder and the brush. I'm gonna take out the headphones because like I said, I just really wouldn't normally put headphones in here. So like I said, I took the headphones out, and then I put the hand sanitizer in the front, and then the fragrance, the powder, the brush is still in here, the Blistex is in here, the card holder is in here, and the hand cream is in here. So all of that stuff is in there, and then you just literally close her and boom, no fuss, no muss. I definitely feel like you could fit a lot more in here. You still have the back pocket free if you wanted to put something in there, and you also still have this front flap free if you wanted to put something in there. Let's try to see if we could fit my phone. See, I wouldn't even want to put this in here with the phone case because this phone case is so bulky. So I'm gonna actually take this off. No phone case, and it does just slip right in there, which is like better. I feel like, I will say, it just makes the bag so much heavier. Let's see if it'll fit in the flap on the inside. And that junk was in there snug. I had to really pull that out. She fits in here as well. Let's see if she'll close though. She fits inside for sure. Let's see if it'll close. It's a little bit of a struggle to get it to close. You see, like it's a little bit of a struggle, in the bag, as you can see, is a little bit more stretched out, but it will in fact close if you wanted to put it on the inside. So you really could stuff a lot of stuff in this bag. You can stuff a lot of stuff in this bag. You can really fit a lot of stuff in this bag. That's pretty much it. It's not really much else to say. If you are interested in the bag, I will have it linked in the description box for you to check it out. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this bag. Are you in love? Are you obsessed like I'm obsessed? It was love at first sight when I saw this bag. I'm telling you, no lie. And that's why I kind of just bought it, because usually, like I said, I'll give myself some time to really think to see if I want something, and if I can't stop thinking about about it, then I'll usually get it. Like I said, it will have to be like a special occasion kind of a thing, but I just kind of went for it, like, because I just knew me and her, we needed to have each other, you understand? And so I just had to go and get it, and I'm so happy I did. It is, like I said, the best $300+ I've ever spent. I'm obsessed with this bag. I'm gonna wear it to death. Okay, be prepared to be sick of me. Okay, every outfit, she's gonna be making an appearance. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will catch you in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Bye.